It's the San Rafael City Hall.
Oh, it's original.
Oh!
Well, kinda.
Wait. What?
Was the black button?
So they were-
the Lexan. They lowered the panel and they made it into Lexan.
Yeah. Unless it came with these buttons.
I don't think so.
Yeah. I don't know. I mean, because I've seen Lexan with black button stuff on it. Shit, I have one in my collection that's got black buttons on it. I think all he did was just lower the panel.
It's the California good Lexan. I don't know. That's the part that's making me think it's not original.